Choose any ATM of your convenience and stand a chance to win gold sovereigns.
Lanka. On the 27th of January this year, Attorney General Derana, in a letter to the Director of the Criminal Investigation Department, stated that he does not intend to pursue further legal action against 3 suspects in the Lasantha murder case, which is pending at the Mount Lavinia Magistrates Court. These suspects include Premananda Udalagama, Tissasiri Sugatapala and Prasanna Nanayakara, who were arrested on charges of threatening Lasantha Vikramatunga's driver, a key witness in the case, and of concealing evidence. Meanwhile, in a letter to Prime Minister Dr. Harini Amarasuriya, Ahimsa Vikramatunga, the late Lasantha Vikramatunga's daughter, has requested that the government seek the impeachment of the Attorney General. In the letter, Ahimsa Vikramatunga asserts that the facts surrounding last week's developments clearly show that this decision was not an accident, but the result of a culture fostered by Attorney General Derana in the Attorney General's department, a culture of nonchalance, callousness, complacency and utter disregard for their duty to victims of crime and witnesses who risk their lives to uphold the integrity of the justice system. She further stated that during the investigations conducted from 2015 to 2019, the CID painstakingly pursued hundreds of leads and accumulated over 50 volumes of investigative material. Additionally, she emphasized that beyond the Attorney General's neglect of duty and abuse of prosecutorial discretion, it is important to consider the circumstances under which the Attorney General's department opened a file on assassination cases titled CR1/40/2020. Ultimately, she stated that the Attorney General is accountable to Parliament and the only way to fulfill the government's commitment to reforming the justice system is through impeachment and the removal of the Attorney General from office. Meanwhile, the Young Journalists Association organised a protest outside the Attorney General's department today, demanding the removal of the Attorney General for his decision to release 3 suspects in the Lasantha Vikramatunga murder case. Member of Parliament Mano Ganeshan also joined the protest, and when several protesters were given the opportunity to submit a letter to the Attorney General's department, the MP attempted to join the group but was opposed. Additionally, President Anura Dissanayake summoned the Attorney General to the Presidential Secretariat today to inquire about his decision to release the 3 suspects in the Lasantha Vikramatunga murder case. Attorney General Derana arrived at the Presidential Secretariat at around 1:45 p.m. today for the meeting, joined by Justice Minister Harshana Nanayakara. After a nearly 2-hour-long discussion, the Attorney General and the Justice Minister left the Presidential Secretariat at around 4 p.m.